How to transfer photos to files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Scroll down and select Save to Files from the options. Select the folder you want to save the photo to. And then, tap on Save at the top. Following these steps, you can easily transfer photos to files on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.